What's going on, everybody? It is Thanksgiving and it's now 12:07 p.m. I just got my first order. I'm going to Applebee's. I don't know how long I'll be delivering for today, but we weren't doing Thanksgiving today. My family's celebrating that Saturday, so I figured I'd try and earn some money. It's been a while. Due to a car accident, I had to get that situated and get it taken care of. But hopefully you're all having a nice holiday, and I'll see you in a bit. All right, well, as I'm sure you just saw, I walked up to the door and turned around, and they have a sign posted that they are closed for Thanksgiving. So my first potential order for Applebee's is a botch. So now I'm messaging customer service, and we'll see where it goes. Looks like I'm gonna do a McDonald's order through PostMates. It's not super close by, but I'm already out and about since I came out for Applebee's. So might as well give it a shot. So I just got to McDonald's, and they're closed. They're open 5 p.m. and then overnight. So sadly they're closed right now, and I can't do that order either. So we'll see what happens. I'm probably gonna head home and just call it quits. But we'll see. Maybe I'll actually get an order for somewhere that's opened. Alright, so it's 1:05. I can't get an order. Everywhere is closed, I guess, or too many drivers for what is open is out there delivering. So I'm calling it quits. I'm actually off work tomorrow, so I'll try this again tomorrow and hope for better luck. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Peace. What's going on, everybody? It is Black Friday. It's 4:15 p.m. and I figure I'm gonna go try and deliver for the dinner shift. I'm thinking people are tired from shopping and I might get a lot of orders, so hopefully it's super busy, but I don't have a shift, so I'm just going line for right now GrubHub and PostMates. We will see what happens. I did want to update you, so I know Thanksgiving I had a couple orders. One of the restaurants was closed and one was with GrubHub. I had a 2-hour shift with them. I woke up this morning, I had an email saying they're paying me $22 for yesterday, which is more than that order. When I signed up, I think there was mention about a minimum wage type of thing for your market. So I think it was $11 an hour, which I did not make, so they're paying me for that. So that's super exciting. I at least get my gas money and a little more back for my time. So it's 4:45, and I just picked up my first order. It's through DoorDash from Applebee's. It's a $5 order. I'm literally right next to it. Can't see it because the building's blocking me, but as you can tell by the map, I'm like right next to Applebee's. I only picked up a 30-minute shift because that's all that was available for DoorDash. But like I said, it's 4:46. I started 15 minutes early because they allow you to do that, and I've already got an order. So let's go. So that was actually really quick and easy. I'm kind of surprised. I was nervous and thought that I'd be sitting there for a while since I was so close to the restaurant, but it was ready, so that's awesome. So it's 4:56, so super short delivery distance, and I already got another Applebee's. We're gonna grab that bad boy and head on. Oh, we got the cops down here. I don't know what's going on, but I'm heading straight back to Applebee's. So it's 5:14. I just finished my second order, and I've already got a third order for Module's Restaurant, which is right up the road from what I remember. It's been a while since I've been there. Yeah, it's literally like right down the road from me.
Turn right.
So that's super awesome. And it's only a 30-minute shift. I know I've said it before, but if you're working DoorDash and you see a 30-minute shift pop up, you pick that up, you start 15 minutes early, and I'm about to have 3 orders in a 30-minute shift. So that's clutch. That's easy money. And sometimes you're able to extend your shift. So if you're wondering,
turn left on Chapel Hill Boulevard.
Maybe you're new to delivering.
In 700 feet, turn left on Road 68.
You've signed up for DoorDash and you just see these offers for 30 minutes, and you're like, man, I'm not gonna go deliver for 30 minutes. That's a waste of time. You should do it. Straight up.
Turn left on Road 68.
I think you get a lot of orders. I've had this experience several times, and it could lead to good money. Plus, you don't know what people are going to tip. So, it's a nice little way to get some extra pocket change. I'm not going to lie, I'm having so much fun delivering. It's been a while, and I've missed it.
In a quarter of a mile, you'll arrive at 3214 Road 68.
So it's good to be back. I can't wait to get out on the road again already, and the night's not even over. Yes, if you can't tell, I'm already pulling up to this restaurant. I've never actually eaten here. I've done one delivery from here before, but it's right here on my right.
You've arrived at your destination.
Looks like I have to actually turn to get into the parking lot. But it looks cute. It looks like a busy breakfast place, actually. When I've driven by on like the weekend, it seems pretty busy. But I don't know. Where is this entrance at? Here we go. So it is now 5:26 p.m. I just dropped off my third order from Module's Grill. And I don't know if it's, oh, here we go. Another order, Red Lobster, 1550. Yep. It's a little bit of a drive, but look at that. So I'm about to be at 4 orders on a 30-minute shift with a guarantee pay of $15.50. So we're doing pretty good. Things are busy. Hopefully I could keep this rolling and actually extend the shift. That would be pretty awesome. And I will let you know how the night goes. So it's now 5:42. I just got to Red Lobster, and I noticed this little memo here. Where is it? Please note that the restaurant is receiving the order as the same time as you. So please be patient with us, as it's going to be set as the same time as the pickup time, and we're working towards a resolution. Pickup time is at 5:49, so it's only 7 minutes away. Hopefully I don't have to wait too long, but we'll see what happens. Come on, Red Lobster. Please do me right and let this food be ready. So it's $5.50. That wasn't too bad. And I'm going to drop it off for a worker. Someone at Walmart ordered this for their lunch break. Pretty fancy to me for a little lunch break from a Walmart worker, but I don't care because it's an extra order. So I'm heading back from where I just came from. It's all good. So luckily, Walmart doesn't look too crazy right now. It's Black Friday, so I was a bit worried. But I'm actually able to get some pretty decent parking. And I have a feeling I won't have an issue. It's just people here who did some running out to Walmart for either like groceries and stuff like that, or wanted to try and get some last minute deals and pick through whatever's left. So it's 6:09 or 6:10, whatever, and DoorDash ended my shift, kicked me out after dropping off the food. I tried checking, there's nothing else available right now. I walked back to the car and turned on PostMates, and I have a Panda Express order. So this is starting to be a good night. Things are getting busy, just like I had hoped for.
Let's get started. Drive safely.
I'm a little bit of ways, as you can see, 11 minutes. But it's okay, I'd rather be busy making money than so I just got to Panda Express at 6:20. And I guess I'm supposed to order, which is different. Typically I walk in, it's ready, but we'll see. So I did have to order, but it was very quick. I mean, my camera's going, it's already been 3 minutes and 40 seconds. So that's pretty quick considering I had to order the food and they had it ready for me. Had to pay for the food. So shout out to Panda Express. I know I've delivered it a lot here and I could see why. It's quick and easy. It's not as good as the Chinese food I'm used to from Connecticut, but it's quick, it's easy, it's pretty cheap. I'm hoping to get in a couple more deliveries before I have to call it a night. But it's 6:25 right now, and I'm about to go drop this off. So it's 7:08. I just picked up the food from Cozumel Mexican restaurant. It's a newer restaurant, I know, because it used to be a macaroni and cheese grill that has closed. It was pretty dead in there. There was only one table seated, but it seems nice. So hopefully they work out, but I know it's a tough location. It looks pretty cool, if you could see that. It's nice, it's lit up well. But I don't know, we'll see what happens.
Turn right on South Sintel Way. Then at the roundabout, take the third exit on Hildebrand Boulevard.
I talked to Bobby, and I'm going to work until 8. So hopefully I could get in 2 more deliveries after this. And then I'll be able to go over my final
At the roundabout, take the third exit on Hildebrand Boulevard.
So it's 7:20, and I just dropped off the food. So I actually hit like the expected delivery time to the T, because that was at 7:20. And as I back out of his driveway,
in 900 feet, turn left on North Edison Street.
I got an offer for a Taco Bell order. So we're headed to Taco Bell. That's GrubHub also. I've never done a GrubHub Taco Bell, but I know we don't pay with
Turn
GrubHub,
left on
so
North Edison Street.
I'm assuming I just go in and grab it. I'm really glad that there was not a wait and the order was ready for me, just because it sucks when you're sitting here waiting. It's
In
much
1 mile,
nicer
turn right to State Route 240 East, Pasco.
to be going back to back and staying busy. Okay, it's 7:29. I just got to Taco Bell. Pretty quick, no traffic, which is good. And we'll see how it goes. So it's 7:40. I just grabbed all the Taco Bell, and it's a giant order. The receipt said 25 items and then like 30 sauce packets. So someone really is enjoying Taco Bell tonight. It's probably just going to be my last order since it's pretty late, and I'll see you in a bit. So it's 7:54 p.m. and I just finished dropping off that order. Like I said, it was a very big Taco Bell order. It was like 25 food items and like 30 sauce packets or something. So it was a big order. I'm not gonna stay on till 8 for 5 more minutes to see if I could get another order. I'm just gonna call it quits and head on home. When I get home, I will do an earnings update. Okay, so it's Saturday morning. I'm updating my earnings because my camera went out last night. So yesterday for DoorDash delivering, I made $35.50. For PostMates, I earned $5.83 off that one order. Oops. And then for GrubHub, I made $22.14. You could see $13.72 delivery pay, $8.42 with tips. So I made a total of about $20 an hour for a little over $60. Pretty decent. Seems to be about average on a good day. So hopefully I could get some lunch hours in really quick because I can't work tonight. We're doing Thanksgiving tonight. If you like that video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.